No prophet shall come after the seal. This is our faith, firm and real. For the final prophet we stand so tall, ready to sacrifice, to give it all. No fear, no doubt, no turning away. We guard his honor, come what may. Our hearts beat with sacred flame. For Khatmi Nabuwat is not just a name. We live for truth, we die with pride. In love of the Prophet, we shall abide. Let tyrants rise, let trials grow. For his last message, we'll always glow. The seal of prophets, a truth so bright, leads us through darkness, bring us light. His path we follow, his name we raise. Our lives are him, our hearts his praise. We wear the badge of faith, grace in every trial we seek his face. False claimers rise, yet fall in shame. None can steal the Prophet's name.